asawa, nakita mo na yan doon sa Trinoma. Ang ganda na sa bahay. Sabda.
Dahil dapat lagi tayong i-updated. Ito ang pinaka-i-updated version natin dahil kasama natin ang miyembro ng Super Junior. Kasama natin dito si Siwon at si Dong Hae. Hello, anyong hasayo first, foremost, and welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay, yeah.
I am Siwon Choi. I am Dong Hae.
How was your trip to the Philippines? Any unforgettable moments from the last time you were here?
최근에 온 게 저랑
His most recent visit was on the 1st of January this year. Simone, Inhal, and Trion came for the ad, shoots for the ad, and for
Doon
the
nyo ba
chicken
nakita ng
brand in
personal
Korea.
doon?
And for the
Nakita mo, wala kayong sama.
again this year when they had the concert for the Super Show in Manila.
How do you feel that, after your fans clamored for it, now you guys are here and you guys are already shooting for Veg?
팬분들이 고생했었고요. 전에 팬분들
First of all, we are very thankful to Philippine fans that they always support and give love to Super Junior.
So this is your third time to visit the Philippines? Third or fourth? Fourth, right? Okay. So I'm sure you guys have learned a couple of Filipino words already. So can you share with us the words that you have learned? Filipino words.
마부하이, 다리마po.
I'll teach you this. Say, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo.
There, that means I love you. What is your message to your Filipino fans?
Thank you so much for your love and support and always. And because of your love and support, they came here in Manila. We still have concert here.
So there you have it. All Super Junior fans, they said that they want to come back here and have a concert. So yan, kailangan abangan natin yan. Thank you to Jojo Lianzon, Lawrence Tua, and of course Mr. Ben Chan of the Bench family. Thank you so much to John Pabiduan and to Alex Carbonell of Studio Things for my hair. Thank you so much to Vance, to Fila, to Folden House, and to Glow Tattoo for my Wi-Fi. Tuloy-tuloy po pag-follow natin sa twitter.com/officialtimyap.